Let's assume you take 24 minutes to run 4 kilometers.
Yes, sir.
How many kilometers per hour are you running?
Per hour. Yes, sir. So 10 kilometers.
So I called my girlfriend, Shashikant.
Yes, sir.
What do you think your father will say?
Right.
And now the father is, I'm very angry. So how can you have a boyfriend?
So I will convince my father that.
How?
Okay. Yes, sir.
How? कैसे बोलो? कैसे convince करोगे? You're going to SSB for the 3rd time. What happened the first 2 times you went? Why do you think that happened? Give me a practical application of the Newton's 3rd law that you will use as an officer in the Indian Army. What is your biggest fear?
The biggest fear is not getting successful, sir. May I come in, sir?
Yes, Palak, please come in.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Palak. Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
So, Bharat, tell me, what is so good about this evening?
Sir, this evening, sir, it is very cold and good, sir.
You feel nice in cold?
Yes, sir. So, well weather.
Very nice weather. Excellent.
Yeah.
So tell me, you're very from Christian dance.
Yes, sir. So, I am from Thakurganj, a block of Kishanganj.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference?
So, the Kishanganj is a district and Thakurganj is a part of that district, Kishanganj.
Why is Kishanganj called Kishanganj?
Sir, because, sir, I don't know the business, sir. It is just a name.
Just a name.
Yes, sir.
So, Pella, your father is a businessman.
Yes, sir.
You've been to the SSB twice.
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to join the army?
Sir, because it is my passion, because
And where this passion go on to you?
sir, when women were first allowed in India, that time I came to know about India in 2021. And that time I read about it. I thought that it's a better job and job also and a better lifestyle, the respect we get. So I wanted to earn that.
That's nice. But there are people who say women must not join the army.
Yes, sir.
What is your view?
So I think it depends on the mindset of people. But if a woman in herself, if she had decided that she would join, she can, sir. Women are no longer weaker than the men, so they can also join. It's just their mindset, and if a woman wants, they can ignore that mindset, and they can change the mindset also.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
If you had to change the mindset
Yes.
of boys in India,
Yes.
tell me 3 things you will do to change their mindset.
So I will do, if I went to NDA, I will do my, whatever the tasks are given to us that in the training period, I will do that in my best way. And if possible, I think they it in a better than boys also. And then there are many awards and things that we can win, I will win that. That can change the mindset. That women are not weaker than men.
That's interesting. Which part of the army do you want to join?
So Corps of Engineers.
Why?
So because I think that suits my personality, because I am from a science background and my marks are also good in PCM, and further I want to pursue BTech. So that's why I think that will be more suitable.
Which BTech you want to do?
Sir, I have not decided the field. Civil I can do, because in civil I have read something about it, the architect engineer type. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. That is why I have chosen Corps of Engineers.
Corps of Engineers, is this an arm or a service?
Sir, a service.
Corps of Engineers service.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
If I told you it's an arm, would I be correct? Would I be wrong?
Sir, wrong, sir. Because it is a service.
Corps of Engineers is an arm. It's a combat support arm. And tell me which other engineers is a service?
With other engineers. Yes, sir. So Corps of Signals.
Corps of Signals is also.
Also convert support. Okay, sir. So I can't remember, sir. Sorry, sir.
Have you heard of ENE?
Yes, sir.
What is EM?
So electrical and mechanical engineers.
So are they an arm or a service?
Sir, they are arms. No, sir, they are services. Sorry, sir.
Service? Make up your mind.
So services.
Service.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between an arm and a service?
So arms means when there is a war or there is a direct fight, the support in that, and services means they provide the back support with whatever the things are required. That.
Are you physically fit?
Yes, sir.
What can you do to convince me you are physically fit?
So on a daily basis, I do running. I have a good fat stamina.
How much do you run?
So on daily basis, I run about 4 to 5 kilometers.
5 kilometers.
By jogging.
Supposing you're running 4 kilometers,
Yes, sir.
how much time would it take?
So 4 kilometers, so 20 to 25 minutes by jogging. Yes, sir.
20 to 25 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Let's assume you take 24 minutes to run 4 kilometers.
Yes, sir.
How many kilometers per hour are you running?
Per hour. Yes, sir. So 10 kilometers. Yes, sir. Who thought he must? Sir, I know, sir, it's 10 kilometers.
10 kilometers.
Yes, sir.
How many kilometers per minute?
How 1 kilometer per minute? So wait. So 1 upon 60 says it will be about 0.1 minute.
1 upon 6 or 1 upon 60?
1 upon 60, sir.
60.
So 1 upon 60. So 60.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Or will it be 10 upon 60?
Oh, yes, sir. 1 upon 6. Oh, sorry, sir. So we said about 1 minute.
Right?
Yes, sir. So give me a second. So 1 by 6 per minute.
In your opinion, what are 5 major problems India is facing?
The 5 major problems that India is facing is first is unemployment. The second is crime against women. Third one is pollution. Yes, sir. Fourth one is sir, internal security matters. And fifth one is so the means the language barrier.
Language barrier. What language are we?
So like there are many states of in India that means in many parts of India it is like the language is becoming a barrier. Linguistic criteria.
Give an example.
Sir, for example, in Maharashtra, we have seen many people who speak Hindi are not recognized there, and also in the schools, they are not taught Hindi. Their mother tongue, the Marathi, is.
You said pollution is a problem for India.
Yes.
Tell me 3 things India is doing as a nation to reduce the harmful effects of pollution.
Yes, sir. So the first thing, so the government has launched new guidelines, the GRAB guideline.
All guidelines are only for Delhi, only temporarily.
Yes, sir.
Tell me 3 things the nation was doing all over the country.
Currently. So planting very more trees.
Okay, tree plantation.
So plantation, and we are shifting towards e-vehicles nowadays.
E-vehicles.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And also so e-vehicles and I don't want this.
Why any of Ujala?
Yes, sir. Ujjwala Yojana. Yes, sir.
Ujjwala or Ujala?
Ujjala.
What's the difference?
Sir, Ujjala I don't know, and Ujjwala Yojana is related to some means the gas stove. That.
Gas stuff.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Well, tell me something about the school you've been to,
Yes.
starting from 8th standard and in your academic career, the school you've been, the marks you got, the subjects you liked, the subjects you did not like. In your academic career from 8th onwards, name 3 teachers you think were the most impressive ones. Why do you think they impressed you? Tell me one sentence about each of them. Think about some other teachers that have impressed you less. Name 3 teachers that have impressed you less and tell me one sentence about each of them also.
Yes, sir.
Talking about your friends. Name 5 friends of yours that you believe are your closest friends. What do you think these 5 people are your closest friends? Tell me one sentence about each of them. Talk to me actually more about the daily routine you follow on a typical working day And how is the routine different on a Sunday or a holiday? You're going to the SSB for the third time. What happened the first 2 times you went? Why do you think that happened? And then tell me 5 things you're doing so that you will get recommended the third time you go to the SSB.
Yes.
Supposing you got recommended, who will you tell it first? Your father? Your mother? Your sister? Your teacher? Or somebody else? Who will you tell first? What is your plan B? What happens if you do not get recommended? Do you get any pocket money? If yes, how much? How do you spend it? If you do not get any specific pocket money, what is your average monthly expenditure over the last 12 months? And give me the breakdown of any one typical month. Go ahead, please.
Yes, sir. So starting from my academics, from my class 8th, I completed my class from till class 8 to my metric from Tarachand Dhanuka Academy, Thakurganj, and I scored 2% in my class 8, 91% in class 9, and 95% in class 10th. And
When 92 to 95 in 10th, what will you do to improve your marks?
so just consistency. So I regularly studied and did revision, and that helped me a lot.
Very nice.
Yes.
Which stream you take for 11th and 12th?
So PCM science.
Why?
So because my maths was good, I was interested in maths. So
Maths was good.
yes,
अभी तो 1/6 and 1/60 में बोल रही थी.
yes, sir.
Then?
So it's just a minor mistake, but although it is good, sir. So
Maths is good, okay.
yes, sir.
You did consistency, you got 95% in your 10th.
Yes, sir.
What happened to your consistency to get your marks in 12th coming down?
Yes, sir. So in class 12, so that time I was also preparing for my NDA. So I was here from
Wait, you're going to
so 3 times.
What happened?
So the first time I appeared, it was my 12 preparing time, and that time I cleared the written examination. So I was preparing for SSB. So that is why I was less focused on the academics. And after that, when my SSB over, I got screened down in my first attempt. So that time, after that, my boards were in February only, and I had my SSB on 17th of January. So I had less time. So that is why I prepared well also, but my score went down.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then what happened after your 12th?
So after 12th, I have taken a drop this time.
Why you take a drop?
So drop because sir, I was not prepared. I was not planning to get a drop. I had filled the form of CGAT, but after that I had given the end examination again in April.
You
But
appear for JEE?
no, sir.
Why not?
So because I was not interested in it, sir.
Well,
No, sir. So just not interested, sir, because I want to.
not electrical industry, but you'll end up getting an engineering degree.
Yes, sir.
Then यहाँ से ले ली थी, यहाँ तो ले ली थी. Why you very hard interested in engineering degree?
So because sir, I am interested, but I want to pursue knowledge better. I don't want to get admitted by JE, and there is no use also.
अच्छा, okay, continue.
Yes, sir. So, sir, why I taken a job, and after that, the teachers I like from my class 8, the 3 teachers. The number 1 is Deepika ma'am. She was as a social science teacher in our school, and I liked her because she was very supportive. And firstly, in my classes 7th, 8th, I was very weak in my social science. So she said, I went to her, I talked to her that I'm not understanding this. History was a part of. I thought history is a type of boring thing for me. So I talked to her. Then she told me that you read books, you see videos, animated video, next you will like it. And after that, the second teacher I like was the maths teacher, who is Prakash sir, somewhere in WD only. And so he is very supportive, and whether he teaches very tricks, and he teaches maths in very easy way. That is why I like him. And the third teacher is my science teacher in high school, Rishita ma'am. She was our chemistry and bio teacher. She
Any non-principle of physics you like the best?
one principle of physics. So Newton's third law.
Newton's third law.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Give me a practical application of the Newton's third law that you will use as an officer in the Indian Army.
That I will use as an officer. Yes, sir. So the principle, sir, recoiling of guns, sir.
How will you use it?
Sir, I will not use, but
As I want to learn this thing, what you will use.
yes, I will use.
Or you explain to me how you will use the same principle in the gun.
So the same principle in the bike.
I know a good of the doing a practical application that
Some practical application I can use is, sir, in running also, in walking, I can use that.
how?
Yes, sir. So because when we walk on the ground, we put a force on the ground, and the ground deter that force again on us, which help us to go further in the on the ground, help us in walking. So that is, and so after that, the teachers are like, oh wait, some teachers. Okay, sir. So the teachers I didn't. Oh, moving on from teachers. Okay, sir. So sir, coming for on my friends, the friends I like, the number one is Sir Shashikant. He is my friend. I made him a friend in class 11th, and he the one thing that I like about him is he very supportive and very understanding. Whenever I am facing any problem, I used to go to him and said he gives a German.
Give me an example of a problem you went to.
Sir, problem like when I was sir, for example, yes, so when I was about to go at home, my train was in the morning. So that time I was not able to. My father said that tell one of your hostel mate to go with you to the station because he is for my protection and something. So I talked to every hostel mate, but they were not ready to go with me in the morning. So I told him that this is a problem, and he told me that yes, if you want, you can go alone, or I can come. So that time he helped me. He was going with me.
Okay, so both would now
Yes, sir.
you go back and you tell your father,
Yes, sir.
and he says, Papa, my girlfriends in my hostel that are not coming. So I called my boyfriend, Shashikant.
Yes, sir.
What do you think your father will say?
So not for anything. So I told my father. My father knew and would.
And now the father is, I am your father.
Okay, sir.
I am very angry. So how can you have a boyfriend?
Yes, sir.
What will you do?
So I convinced my father that
How?
okay. Yes, sir.
How? कैसे बोलो? कैसे convince करोगे?
So I can say कि sir, Pavel, he is just a friend. I can Karthon, he can help me because in my time मतलब जब जैसे फूले फ्रेंड्स नहीं मान रही थी, my father only wanted कि you only wanted कि किसी के साथ जाओ. So I talked to him. He told me, he helped me. He has a helping nature. So it was good to have friend like him. Yes, sir.
Okay, Shashikant. Who else?
So the next one is Ankit. He is also my school friend. And one thing I like about him is he has a good sense of humor. He's a friendly nature. Whenever we talk, he makes us laugh and have a good bond with us. And the third one is Sumaira. She is also my school friend, and we are a group of friends. She is one of the member, and I'm very close to her. I also share some secrets and some whatever experience I have, I share with her. We talk on a not on a daily basis, but sometimes regularly we talk. And with her fourth one is Bhargavi. She is also a part of our group, Sumaira, Bhargavi, and one more is Anushka. So I like them because they all are very supportive and they're not.
Supposing you have a crush on a boy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you like one specific boy. We'll call him Prakash.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have a crush on Prakash. Who will you tell first? Your sister, your mother, or any of these five friends?
So firstly, I will tell to my sister.
Why?
So because I'm very close to her.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. So we have been together since childhood. So I am very close to her. We share a good bond. I share everything with my sister. So I will firstly go to my sister.
Go to your sister.
Yes, sir.
When you go to a sister, this friend of yours, Bhargavi, says, बहन के पास जा रही है, मेरे पास नहीं आ रही, she's getting very angry with you. What will you do?
So I will tell her that okay, I'll tell you also, but my sister is my first priority. I will tell her she was with me at my home, so she was the first one to know. Mummy go साथ थे तो
What is your question?
Yes, sir. So friends are done. After that, I start with my daily routine. My daily routine on the normal
Like a leave, daily, we didn't move on.
Okay, sir. Daily routine after that. Sir, my expenditure, how I spend my pocket money. So, sir, when I reside in hostel, I got the pocket money of about 2,000 to 2,500 for my father for my daily expenses. Apart from the house rent and food, apart from that, from my personal being, I spend that on a daily basis. I used to eat junk food and the front of it. Not only junk food, but anything in the evening I need snacks and something. So at that time I eat that. So as a daily basis, about 30 to 40 rupees I spend on the eating. So even month, so I eat like, so sometimes noodles, meals, and sometimes dosa also a healthy thing. So that's always so. So 30 to 40 rupees on what, or 40 approx. So every month I spend almost 1200 on it, on eating. And apart from it, wherever the rest money that I have, I used to say 500 I do saving. 500, and the rest 300 I keep it for emergency, or sometime whenever we go for outings or for visiting somewhere. So that why, for that way I keep it. Okay, so apart, and the expenditures are done. After that, Hmm. I can't remember the question. Can you please repeat?
I asked you about your SSB, your plan B.
Yes, sir. So about the SSB, so I applied for my ever NDA examination 3 times, and all time I cleared the written examination. And my first 2 attempts in SSB, I got script. Are done. After that, I can't remember the question. Can you please repeat?
I asked you about your SSB and your plan B.
Yes, sir. So about my SSB, so I applied for my for NDA examination 3 times, and all time I cleared the written examination. And my first 2 attempts in SSB, out in both times, first one and so because I think that time I was less prepared. In my first attempt, I thought I was thinking that I am prepared, but when I went to SSB, I had a means the real experience. That time I thought that I was not well prepared for it. So it was my mistake. I was screen out because I did not speak up much in the group discussion that time. And after that, in the second attempt in Bangalore, it was in Bangalore, 24 SSB Bangalore. That time also I got screen out. That time I think
And all the irrigation do it.
yes, so later I prepared why, but because of the picture perception, maybe I think, and according to me, I think that it, because of that I got screen out. Okay. So near just 20 वो picture से थोड़ा match नहीं खड़ा था, that's why. Yes, sir.
And then all right.
And third attempt, so now I'm going to appear for it.
Okay, now you Guru. What have you learned from these two and how will you implement this?
Yes, sir. So I mean from all this that we should be well prepared before going to any exam. What's preparation, Gidi? So precautions like the communication skills should be developed, the English part of expression, and also so whenever I'm talking in a group discussion, the maintaining eye contact, body language always matters. And अपनी so I means the main work is to अपनी बातों को रखना, कैसे वहाँ पे अपनी बातों को रखना है. So that is why I am talking about it on my communication.
Then one thing you're going to improve your communication skills.
Sir, I'm like in my hostel. I'm preparing a like I read a topic. Any topic I'll take normal and the normal any issues, any something else, and then I read about it from the internet and all. And after that, I find that convert it into English and say it in the front of mirror, and also when I win that.
In the scenario of the parents, Palak, your father, your mother, your sister,
Yes.
what do you like about them? What do you not like about them? If there is one quality in each of them you want to change, which is that quality? One quality in you, each of them will like to change, which is that quality. You have named the many of your friends. So let's take three of them. Let's take Shashikant, Bhargavi, and Samara.
Yes, sir.
One quality in you, each of these three people would like to change, which is that quality.
Yes, sir.
Tell me which has been your, what has been your best day, what has been your worst day. What is your biggest fear and what is the biggest adventure you have done? Go ahead.
Yes, sir. He says starting from my parents, my father. The one thing that I like about my father is
What is your father did?
the businessman.
What business?
Cemented brick.
Cement?
Cemented bricks. So,
Cemented bricks. What are these? Where are they leased?
so they are used in the making of roads and also. So ये सब दिल्ली वगैरह में ऐसे यूज किए जाते हैं. Okay, for the flooring, sir. Yes, sir.
How big your shop बची है?
Yes, sir.
कितनी बड़ी है दुकान?
Sir, factory है, sir.
फैक्ट्री है.
Yes, sir.
कितने ब्रिक्स बनाती है साल में, एक महीने में?
So that I don't know. I remember the data, but I know there is a नाम पता है, उसके अलावा नहीं पता.
Okay, continue.
Yes, sir. So the one thing that I like about my father is, sir, he is very supportive. Means whatever I do, he always supports me for doing that. Like I will do it in a month. So it is not fixed, but on an approx average of 40,000
Okay, continue.
approx. Yes, sir. So my father supports me, and like I have chosen MBA to go in the armed forces. My father always support. He never told that even you cannot do it or something else. And although Novel is from one family, Novel is in the armed forces, but then also he supported, and always he understand whenever I have any issues with my studies or something. He always supports me, and he do not discourage me.
One incident in which your father did not support you.
When incident he did not support me. Yes, sir. When incident he did not support me. I can't remember right now.
Okay, continue.
So this are normal incidents, sir. When our friends outing in in my home, in hometown, when I was residing there, जैसे किसी friend का birthday वगैरह होता था, तो they used to give us party in a restaurant or something. तो कभी कभी पापा used to means मना कर देते थे, deny us कि no, you will not go there.
Okay, what was he doing then?
So then I used to convince him कि पापा ठीक है जल्दी आ जाएंगे, like that. तो he allows us. Yes, sir.
He is still not getting convinced. Now what?
No, also, so if I convince him by whatever means, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा convince किया, he is not okay, I obey his decisions. I tell my friends, and sometimes also, so in maximum,
So one fine day you had told your friend it was Samara's birthday
yes, sir.
and Samara yeah मुझे आना चाहिए ऐसा हो गया and you said find that father said no.
Yes, sir.
Now Samara is back outside one window near your house. वो कहती खिड़की से कुंचा उन्हें ले जाती है. What will you do?
So I will not go. First, I will ask my father that he will allow that time. He was
Sorry, not on.
so, sir, I will not go. So I will tell her that okay, I'll meet you later, but now I can't go because my father has denied me, so I will not go against him.
Okay, go back to the
That's it. So my father, and one thing I don't like about my father is he's very ever protective type. No, it is not I was not I didn't like it, but that's okay. Yes, sometimes he becomes overprotective, and that is I didn't like. Now I talk about my mother. The one thing what I
Problem you said you'll get your sister.
yes, sir.
Somebody's sister is not there.
Yes, sir.
You still have a problem.
Yes, sir.
Who will you go to?
So in a problem, sir. Sorry about my father.
Why not mother?
Yes, sir. Mother also, sir. Father and mother same thing, sir. But
No, I say Parya, why not mother?
yes, sir. So father, because he can understand things more and he can give more practical solution to that.
Acha,
Yes, sir.
that's a boyfriend problem.
Yes, sir.
Who will you go to?
So in that time, I will go to my mother.
Why? Because the father के पास that बोल रही थी. Father was very protective, father was very understanding. तुम्ही संदीप पावर कैसे पूछे हो?
So because someone in these cases, sir, पापा तो है वो aggressive हो सकता है कुछ भी, but मम्मी के रो emotional support. So if it is about emotional support, I will go to my mother.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. So one thing that I like about my mother is, she is means a comfort zone for me every time, and मतलब ऐसा कोई emotional problem नहीं था, then I go to my mother first, and I'm not first, but I go to my mother. She always comforts me, and the one thing that I don't like about my mother is sometime so one thing that I don't like about my mother is so she always wants me to eat things that I don't like some there's कुछ ऐसे सर ज़्यादा हरा हरा सब्जी होता है, I don't like that, but my mother forced me to eat that one. That is the thing I don't like about her. And after that my sister, but one thing that I like about my sister is so she is is a best friend to me, and we share a good bond. And one thing that she is very friendly to me and also like a second mother to me. And the one thing that I didn't like about her is she's oversensitive, sir. Because whenever we sit together, if I also crack a joke on her, she gets offended by that. So I don't like about it. This is the thing I don't.
I no one from sister. As I say.
Now I talk about my films.
No, you didn't tell me one thing that will change in you.
Oh yes, okay, sir. The one thing that my father would like to change in me is my So eating and sleeping habits. So
Eating is special habit, I told you quality.
yes, sir.
Hmm.
So yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
खुद ही बोला लिपी स्लीपी वो हैबिट है
Yes, sir.
मैंने तो पूछा था वन क्वालिटी ऑफ हार्ड वर्क वांट्स टू चेंज इन यू
So quality. Okay, sir.
एक गोल हो
A quality of so quality that my father wants to change in me is so like so sometimes I becomes very stubborn in some cases. He means to convince him to I become stubborn. So if he will get a chance, he wants to take he will want to change that quality. And the one thing that my mother will change in me is the quality. The quality, sir, that I am sir, I am not much emotional. So sometimes it happens कि अगर मैं मम्मी से दूर भी जा रही होती हूँ तो मुझे रोना नहीं आता तो उसको मम्मी थोड़ा बोलती है कि इनको उसको बुरा नहीं लगता रहो. So if he is giving better chance, share in my emotion. Sir, not much emotional, but I am emotional, but not very much, sir. I really surely impact.
Not very much with my emotion.
So मतलब ऐसे लोगों के सामने इमोशनली नहीं दिखाते होता है. वैसे if I'm very far from my mother, I don't cry in front of her, but she start crying. My sister also starts crying, but I मतलब मुझे रोना नहीं आ पाता तो उनको ऐसा लगता है I'm not emotional.
Team lata.
So I don't know, sir. It's natural.
It's natural. Okay, continue.
Sir. Sir, after that, the one thing that my sister would change in me is my talkative side, I think, because I am very talkative. Whenever I talk to her, मतलब overshare हो जाता है सभी over. Yes, sir. So next one, talking about my friends, the one thing that they would change in me. So Sadhu and Shashikant, the one thing that he would change in me is my sir, he would change in me, sir. He will also change the talkative side because I totally pressure him, yes, sir. And the one thing that Sumaira would change in me is whenever I मतलब उनके साथ जब मैं रहती हूँ I used to crack a lot of jokes on them. So that time I think she will, if she wants gets a chance, she would change that habit in me, that sense of humor, because कभी कभी ज़्यादा रोस्ट हो जाता है तो she sometimes she don't like it. And after that, the one thing that Bhargavi would change in me is Bhargavi. So Bhargavi would change, sir. So she will change that sometime. So I don't know, so because I'm not
Okay.
this, so apart from that, sir, can you please repeat the question?
Ask you about your best day, birthday, adventure,
Yes, sir.
fear, bolo.
So the best day for me was when I became the head girl of my school, sir. Yes, sir. So that time, sir, I didn't have any idea that I would be the okay, sir. And the worst day was so when the first time I got screened out.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How the handle screening out?
Sir, handle, sir, it was, sir, I was always, that time when I got screened out, that time I was upset that, wow, I got screened out, but no, sir. Sir, I started crying at that time a bit, but no, उसके बाद फिर शांत हो गया, then I accepted that, okay, it was my fault, I was not well prepared for it. Yes, sir. So there was lack of preparation, so I averaged. Yes, sir. So an adventurous activity. Yes, sir. So any adventurous activity that I have done is, sir, outdoors with friends only, sir. Friends, yes, sir. And the next question,
fear
fear.
what is your biggest fear
Mr. Debas, sir.
किससे डर लगता है सबसे ज़्यादा? My biggest fear. I don't know. So biggest fear is not getting successful, sir. So because I want to get successful, so if only that is my biggest fear. Yes, sir.
if I ask you what are your 3 strengths and 3 weaknesses what will you tell me
Yes, sir. So the 3 strengths that I have is, number 1 is I can make friends easily. Yes. And my mental stamina and physical stamina also. Physical stamina, it is a area of improvement, I can say. But strength, I can say mental stamina, mental toughness. And third one is my my strength. The third one, my strength is, sir, the supportiveness. Whenever I am very supportive to each and everyone. Say so. Yes, sir. So the weakness, or I can say the area of improvements in me are the first one I said the physical stamina. I am working to improve it. The next one is over dependence on digital tools. It is my weakness. So after that, third one is the weakness. That's all. So my general knowledge. I'm improving. I'm working upon it. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
For almost 40 minutes, I have been asking you the questions and you've been answering questions, perhaps.
Yes, sir.
Is there something you want to ask now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Philip. The pleasure talking to you.
Yes, thank you. Jain, sir. Yes, sir.
Right, so Bullock,
Yes, sir.
you've done the interview.
Yes.
How do you think you have performed?
So I think I performed pretty well, sir.
Pretty well.
Yes, sir.
Where do you think you need improvement?
Sir, I think according to me, I need improvement in my power of expression, sir, because sometimes I क्या तो उसको बोलने में hesitate हो जाते हैं, सर रुक जाते हैं.
Okay.
Yes.
I agree you'll need to be able to speak fluently in English, but a few times you did not, it is okay. What I want to put across to you is, so long as you continue in the flow,
Yes, sir.
And even if you have said a sentence in Hindi and you come back to English, it is all right.
Yes, sir.
But you should not get stuck. That you must remember. लेकिन पलक बहुत बोलती हो यार. Get to the point.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. भूस में लकड़ी मारोगी तो कम वक्त भूसी उड़ेगी.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
you're fairly impulsive, बहुत जल्दबाजी में रहती हो, dominate करती हो. You want, हमारी बात कोई सुना है, you like that. You don't, नहीं सुना है, चल बना. जिद्दी तो हो, undoubtedly. Yet you are reasonably logical, which is good. You must try and be more logical. जिद लो अंदर रखो उसको,
Yes, sir.
अपना पॉइंट पुट अक्रॉस करे, लेकिन लॉजिकली काम करो.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, कभी कभी एक कदम पीछे हट के वापस अपनी जगह के आ जाओ, दूसरे को बुरा नहीं लगता.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन अड़ जाओ तो आमतौर पे प्रॉब्लम होती है.
Yes, sir.
Very competitive. You want to come first. You want to be ahead of everybody else.
ठीक है. Why you are ahead is good because the army is very competitive.
Yes, sir.
We don't want to be second क्योंकि लड़ाइयाँ बुम्बर टू कोई नहीं होता. सेकंड पेज तो कोई नहीं होता है. जिनमें तो दिया और वो
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. फिर भी आर्मी में यू हैव टू बी कोऑपरेटिव, क्योंकि इट्स अ टीम एफर्ट.
Yes, sir.
और ऑफिसर के लिए भी बहुत जरूरी है कि अगर गलती है तो ऑफिसर की,
Yes, sir.
अगर टीम ने अच्छा काम किया तो टीम में अच्छा काम
अच्छा काम किया.
किया. ठीक है, तो ये चीज आपको याद रखनी चाहिए.
Okay, sir.
In your case, you are a little focused on yourself. कि मैं कर लूंगी, मेरा होगा, मेरा ध्यान रखना.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. Alright. Reasonably confident. Very good with that. ठीक है. You will come across as reasonably practical also. मालूम है ये कर सकते हैं, ये नहीं कर सकते हैं, ये है, ऐसा है. फादर ने बोला नहीं जाना है. I think it was a good thing. You said कि आई है ले जाने के लिए, नहीं मैं नहीं आऊंगी, कोई पापा ने मना किया.
Yes, sir.
Which is correct. There are times in which you have to obey orders. You may not like it. Life में आएंगे ये पल.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So you have to be able to decide कहाँ पे मैं रानी झांसी बनूंगी, कहाँ मैं चंडी बनूंगी और कहाँ मैं मान लूंगी.
Yes, sir.
That's an important part. Keep that in mind. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. So that's my feedback. Any questions you have, please go ahead.
No, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. Very good there. Congratulations and do well.
Thank you, sir.
वॉरियर डिफेंस एकेडमी एंड कॉलेज पाए बेस्ट एनडीए प्रिपरेशन सेना के पूर्व उच्च अधिकारियों द्वारा और करें 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th के साथ एनडीए की तैयारी.